Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Moldova. On tonight's menu, meatballs with mashed potatoes and mushroom sauce. The morning mise en place, just after prep, the mushroom sauce mise en place, the meatballs mise en place, all the goodies for the meatballs, all the meatballs rolled out and ready for the hot box. The potatoes are boiling, and the butter is melting in the saute pan for the mushroom sauce. All the goodies for the mashed potatoes, the completed mashed potatoes, the middle of the cooking of the mushroom sauce, adding of the heavy cream to the mushroom sauce, the meatballs right out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.